Hello, my name is Izzet with OZmarine. Today we're on the fourth day of the Dubai Boat Show. We have built this beautiful machine in Ras Al Khaimah and designed it and engineered it to fit your needs for rental operation. We have been operating water sports in UAE for 29 years and we know how to handle the sea and how it is engineered to be very rough and tough. Very sleek design, very strong with the navigation lights, the wheelbase, easy to step on, easy to get on handles, rear windows, the air intake, and the superior interior that we have managed to get. Moreover, the hull is designed to handle the waters very well with the minimum power, and when we use the VX engine, which is 130 horsepower with 1050 cc, where you don't require any turbocharge, supercharge, a lot of electronics and so on. This one will fit your engineering perfect. It's a jet unit here. Rear lights in the front lights are LED, waterproof rear lights, very sleek and nicely designed, not to harm or hurt, but it closes here, as you see. Fully engineered, fully designed and made in UAE. Visit us at Dubai Boat Show or visit us in our factory in Al Quain.